In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion to Google Sheets in just 5 minutes. This process involves using a tool called Zapier, which acts as an intermediary to automate tasks between web applications. Let's dive into the steps to set up this seamless integration. We'll start by heading over to Zapier and selecting the Create Zap option. Zaps are automated workflows that connect your apps and services. They consist of a trigger and one or more actions. This means that whenever something happens in one app, Zapier will automatically make the specified action occur in another app. Next, you'll need to search for Google Sheets and select it as your trigger app. This step is essential, as it will identify what event in Google Sheets will prompt the workflow. After selecting Google Sheets, choose the specific event that will trigger the zap. For instance, New Spreadsheet Row is often a popular choice, as it automatically activates the zap every time a new row is added to your spreadsheet. Once you've chosen your event, it's time to connect your Google account, if you haven't done so already. This step gives Zapier the permission to access your Google Sheets, which is crucial for the automation to work. You'll need to specify the spreadsheet and the individual worksheet that will act as the zap's trigger. Make sure to select the correct file and tab where your data resides, to ensure the process functions as intended. Now it's time to add an action step by selecting Notion as the action app. This is where the data from Google Sheets will be directed. You'll need to connect your Notion account, similarly to how you connected your Google account, providing Zapier with access to your Notion workspace. After linking your Notion account, choose an action, such as Create Database Item. This will ensure that whenever the trigger event occurs in Google Sheets, a new item will be created in your Notion database. The next step involves mapping the data from the Google Sheet trigger to the fields in Notion. This means that each piece of data from Google Sheets will be linked to the corresponding fields you've set up in Notion, ensuring that all of your data aligns correctly. Finally, it's time to test your Zap to ensure everything works smoothly. Testing helps verify if the data is transferring accurately and that no errors occur. Once the test runs successfully, you can confidently turn on your Zap. With the Zap activated, the data transfer from Google Sheets to Notion will be fully automated, saving you time and manual effort. And that's it! You've successfully connected Notion to Google Sheets, setting up an efficient workflow that handles your data seamlessly. Feel free to revisit or tweak any step if needed, and enjoy the ease and efficiency of your new automated process.